In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an event in Google Chat. This is a straightforward process that will help you efficiently organize meetings or collaborations within your workspace. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open Google Chat. To do this, navigate to chat.google.com in your preferred web browser. Alternatively, you can access Google Chat directly through Gmail if that's more convenient for you. Once there, make sure you're signed in to your Google account. If you're not automatically logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Now that you're in Google Chat, the next step is to open a chat or space. You can choose a person, a group, or a space that you've already been chatting with, or you can start a new conversation. This is where you want to create your event. So, think about who needs to be involved and select the appropriate chat. Once you've opened the conversation, it's time to dive into the event creation process. You'll want to locate and click on the plus icon, which you might know as the compose or insert icon, or directly click on the Google Calendar icon if it's visible within the chat message box. In some organizations, this might not be immediately visible. If that's the case, try typing /calendar right in the chat. This handy shortcut can bring up the event creation option, provided this feature is enabled for your account. After you've accessed the event creation menu, it's time to fill out the specifics of your event. Begin by giving your event a suitable title. This should succinctly describe the purpose of the meeting or occasion. Next, you'll want to set the start and end times for your event. It's important to be precise here to ensure everyone has an accurate understanding of when the event will happen. Once you've set the date and time, you'll need to add participants. Google Chat makes this easy by allowing you to add people directly from the chat you're in. However, you can also manually enter the email addresses of anyone else you'd like to invite. For the location, you can add a physical location if necessary, or, if your meeting is virtual, you can conveniently enable a Google Meet link to make joining the meeting a breeze for everyone involved. If there are any optional notes or agendas you'd like to include, this is the place to do it. These extra details can help your participants prepare for the meeting. Finally, when you've completed all the event details, simply click Save or Send. This action will send out invitations directly to the Gmail or Calendar accounts of all participants. Plus, your new event will seamlessly appear in your own Google Calendar for easy access. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to creating an event in Google Chat. With these tools at your fingertips, scheduling your next meeting will be both efficient and hassle-free.